Welcome back to our channel. Today we're going to be doing a Taco Bell mukbang.
And here is all our stuff we're going to be eating, and let's eat it.
Yep. So first, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the post notifications. And comment down below what videos you think we should do next.
Yeah.
And let's get into it.
Okay. What should I start off from?
Yeah, I'm going to start off with this. I got a Nacho Bell Supreme.
I got crunch wrap supreme.
And he got crunch wrap. And also I got a Doritos local taco.
You don't see that? I don't know if you guys see it. Yeah. It's very delicious.
Okay. Oh yeah, look at that.
Right here we have cinnamon delights, and then a strawberry skittle.
Yep.
Freeze. I don't know.
Alrighty, so I'm thinking I'm gonna try this first.
I'm gonna try this.
It's pretty good. It's kind of spicy.
Oh, and that's the salt.
Yeah. So
I need a fork.
it tastes like, if you didn't ever try it before, it tastes like cream mixed with cheese, and actually the steak is really good. It tastes like real steak.
I can't wait to dig in this. I've been waiting for this.
So talk and eat.
So I just want to say, hopefully we get to 100 subscribers. You know, I just want 100 subscribers just so we can, feel like we did something, like more people. We just want more subscribers.
So also, I don't think we said this, but we got a strawberry Skittle freeze, and like we have never tried this before. What was the other one that we tried the last time? It was a Mountain Dew one, but we never tried this one.
That's so good.
I'm going to dig in this taco right now. I'm super hungry today because I only ate one piece of a chicken leg. So
I'm sure for this.
yeah.
This is delicious. I don't know if you can hear me because I have food in my mouth.
Yeah. Speak louder.
This is delicious.
So we definitely have to speak a lot louder because our camera seems to not pick it up. So if we scream, we're not like mad or anything. Okay. Okay, so comment down below what is your favorite thing to order from Taco Bell, and if it's the Nacho Bell Grande, then put hashtag JLo.
And if it's Crunch Wrap Supreme, put hashtag OJ. This is good.
I never tried Crunch Wrap Supreme before.
So guys, just make sure you comment down below what you want to see for our next video. You guys can just see this. Make sure you guys try this because everything is so good.
I'm gonna try a piece of that.
Okay, you want this piece?
Sure. Ooh.
It's
very meaty.
They got some cinnamon bun.
Yeah, you can. It's like a very meaty thing. It's like a layer. It's like a quesadilla and a burrito.
Are you
It
guys
looks so
seeing
good.
this? Are you guys seeing this? This is so freaking good.
Yes.
I'm glad I took all these minutes, hours just waiting for this food.
This is so good too. It tastes like real Skittles.
Yeah. I'm sorry, I'm disappointed though.
You gotta go like, did y'all drink some before?
It melted.
And I don't think we ever filled it up. We weren't there when we got it.
Yeah.
We stayed home.
This thing is strong. It's acting up. That cinnamon was good.
This is so good.
Wait, you so much you had you talking.
Yeah. I'm so sorry.
What's he talking about?
Okay. A topic that we should talk about is what do you think about other kid YouTubers? Like, what would you give? What do you think of them?
Yeah, I mean, it's just a kid YouTuber. When I think of a kid YouTuber, was also us. I think of a young person that is trying to just start like a good life, who's trying to be successful, and just I mean, that's what I think of a young YouTuber.
That's pretty good. That's really good. A good explanation. I think I couldn't have done better than that. I just said something so smart so I can eat this food. But I think that it's a little bit harder because when you're a kid, because people don't really like to watch kids, so you definitely have to do twice as the grind as a grown up would.
But I mean, if you have kids, then you can just show it to your kids or something.
So, did you hear that rock like a little certain game?
It's also the same thing.
Yeah.
Okay. I'm excited to get my last in the button.
I can split now.
No good. That's good. Okay.
So look at this.
Yeah.
Do y'all see this? Watch this ooze come out of it.
I'm gonna cut one, and I'm gonna show them the inside.
It is so good. Look at that.
See that? Ooh.
This is so good. If that sound, that was nasty.
We should about 12. We should about 12.
Yeah. Next time we're gonna get 12 of these. But this is our second trying that. So we hadn't had it in a long time, so we kind of forgot how to taste it.
Yeah.
So yeah.
All I know was it's sweet.
Yeah.
It's not bitter.
It's not bitter.
It's not bitter. It's not rich. It's not. I mean, it's just perfect. It's like it's just good. But if you don't like cinnamon, then you're gonna look.
Yeah. It's really tastes like cinnamon and sugar.
Yeah.
But that's all.
Guys, comment down below what you think we should do with the cinnamon challenge.
No, discard that.
Why?
Don't listen to him. It's actually life threatening, they said.
What?
Because cinnamon can't go down properly. So please don't do the cinnamon challenge. Please, to save your life.
I never knew that.
This is kind of spicy.
And I noticed that when I tasted it.
Yeah.
I ain't getting no more of that.
But I really like that, really.
Yeah.
I think that, well, actually, while we're doing this, we can give a Q&A. Maybe we should do a quick Q&A. So, if you're wondering how old I am, I'm 11.
And I am, well, technically I'm 10 because this year I will be turning 10. But, yeah.
No, technically you are 9.
Well, in a few months, because in November I'll be turning 10. So.
Brain freeze. And this year, my birthday already passed. Not telling you my birthday month. Well, because they're stalkers.
No, this is a lot of people
Oh,
have.
Jesus. No.
I thought I had people who have birthday. I mean, there's people probably have the same, millions of people have the same month of birthday as you. So.
Okay. Well, I could tell you first letter, but that would give it all away.
Okay.
So no.
It ends with an M.
LJ. You just gave it all away.
No. It's kind of spicy. I usually drinking the juice.
I was drinking more than you. Comment down below who was drinking the freeze more. Because it was me. I was drinking the freeze. Believe that. Watch this, y'all. Ooh. Satisfying. Ooh, it's like, it's spicy. It will give you a heartburn. You should tell them to do this night.
This goes back. I know we're going to be mad.
What?
It just goes all back. Like,
Yeah.
what if you're doing? We're still uploading it.
Boom. Look at that. Watch this.
Ooh, I have a challenge for you, Jayla. I dare you put hot sauce on your cinnamon bun.
No. I will not waste my last cinnamon to do that.
Fine.
No.
Put it on. Okay, just drink it. Drink it like a little bit. Drink it. Excuse me, guys. Don't comment down below and say he doesn't have manners. I say excuse me. That's what I gotta do.
Okay. And the mukbang.
Dang. Oh, it's right here.
It's clear. That's why you can't see it. Obviously, you need some glasses if you couldn't see that.
Yeah, because you just said it's clear. You can't see it. So obviously, I don't need glasses and excuse me.
So since you want to come back and be a smart mouth, then
Is anyone in here anymore?
wait, no, guys, there might not be no meat in here.
Wait. I paid just for the meat.
Oh, you know what? See that crunchy part?
Yeah.
It's the meat is in the crunchy part.
Oh,
Can I have another piece?
no.
You're so mean. Stupid.
I just got like one bite.
Yeah, because it was too spicy. That's not my fault.
Yeah, this is if your name is Jayla, then you can't eat this. So you gotta look.
That's really offensive. He said if your name is Jayla, you can't eat that.
So
Are y'all named Jayla?
you can't eat this anymore. Sorry.
I love their fries.
Can I tell you what? You can get another bite if you let me get a bite of that Dorito. Okay.
Are you serious?
It's soft. Oh no! Never mind. I don't like soft.
You have to chew louder. I'm gonna eat my last cinnamon bun.
Rest in peace. What kind?
Rest in peace, cinnamon bun. Okay, so I'm gonna be eating this last cinnamon bun. 3, 2, 1, 5, 4, 3, 2. One. Dang it, I still want to do this. Okay. You know I'm gonna go up to the camera. Watch this.
Can you pull out that thing and make us?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, because we need that. Like, yes. Good.
Here it is. This is so freaking good.
Okay. Just in case they didn't see. Oh, wait. Okay, that's good. Okay. I need this so numb.
Ah.
Wow. Knife?
Bring the knife off. That will make sense.
Okay, can you get this one? No.
Take the knife anyways. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Well, y'all see that? I mean, it ain't pretty. Because I ate it, but it's good. Hold on, wait, hold on. We'll have to real quick.
This tastes like water because I just drank. Well, I just ate two sweet things. So no.
Can they see it? Can they see it?
Mhm.
Okay, good.
Mm.
What?
Thumbnail. Darn it.
What?
Thumbnail. How are we gonna do the thumbnail?
No, we can do that
After we get done eating all the food.
Yes.
So y'all.
Oh.
Yeah, we just made a big total mistake.
Dang it. I forgot totally.
Okay. So yeah, I'm going to.
I mean,
yeah,
it's good. We
so
don't
we
need a
just totally
thumbnail.
forgot.
Let's not even do a thumbnail. Because you need the food to do a thumbnail. So let's not do it. Let's not do the thumbnail.
We actually could if you flip that upside down.
No.
Oh, that would be. And you could be like this.
But no, Jayla. But that.
And I'll wrap this up.
No, Jayla. Because you just told them.
I don't care. They know it's fake anyways.
Jayla, we don't have to do it, Jayla. That looks freaking fake.
No, it does not.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, you cannot tell me that this isn't. Guys, comment down below. This is look fake. This might be like this. And get some of those.
Jayla.
No, put some of these. Get back here. Y'all come in here. All four of y'all. Go like this. It looks full. Take a pic.
Okay. But let's not do that.
You
Why
sure
I'm doing
please.
it? I ain't doing it.
You know what? Forget this. I tried to come with a good idea, but obviously it's not.
Okay, I'm gonna get some heavy. Yum, yum, yum. What's that part that I eat next?
Yum. Oh my gosh.
Oh, I got
No, stop. Well, I didn't get a freaking piece of bread. It's like,
That's right. Can I get a knife?
no.
Ow. My pinky
Do not do that.
got stabbed. I don't even know why I said ow.
That didn't even hurt it. Why am I speaking for you? Watch this.
You know
Shoot.
what?
This is where all your meat is going. In my belly. That's why you're looking.
Yeah, I just want to put this on.
No.
Oh, you don't it's hold on, but I gotta move that strap. I gotta move that strap. Oh,
Sir. It's good.
technical difficulties, people.
I don't need a piece of this. This is so difficult to open, y'all. You know what? Forget this. Obviously, you don't want to be ate. Well, then go away back. So, you guys, I think we should come this video to an end. And subscribe, turn on those post notifications, comment down below what videos that you guys think we should do next. And yeah, we're gonna end it from right here. And that's like, let us know if you want us to do McDonald's, Burger King, Chick-fil-A, the other restaurants, Wendy's,
Burger King.
I just said Burger King.
Oh, I was about to say Wendy's, not Wendy's. Oh, what's that place to start with?
Zaxby's.
Wendy's.
Yeah, that's what I said.
I don't know.
Okay, you said everything I said, but you just repeated. But yeah. Anyways,
Big swings.
And homemade mukbangs. We'll do homemade food, of course.
And yeah. Make sure we're gonna just make sure we get 100 subscribers.
Make sure to stay tuned. And bye.
Bye.
Don't forget to subscribe, comment down below, thumbs up, and turn your post notifications. And we love you. Mwah.